Okay, in my earlier video, I showed you how to count 5 pennies to make a nickel. So this is a 5-cent piece nickel, and it takes 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, and that equals one of these nickels. Now we're going to move on to the dime. The dime's real easy too, because you're just doubling. You're just going to double this. So there's 10 pennies in a dime. And a dime's a little smaller than a nickel. It's about the size of a penny. But it's silver, and it's a 10-cent piece. And that means it's 10 cents. And 1 cent is a 1-cent piece. So we need 10 of these 1-cent pennies to equal 1 dime. So we have to add some more. So I'm adding another penny. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 pennies now. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can count those on your fingers. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 fingers. So 10 of these pennies equals 1 dime. But like in the first video, a nickel, this larger piece, it's a 5-cent piece nickel, and it's silver. Your pennies are the copper color, and you have your silver color. So what we have now is 1 nickel equals 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you have 2 nickels will equal 10 pennies. The first one is 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. The second one is another 5 cents. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 of these nickels equal 10 cents. So we're adding pieces together, just like we're adding 10 pennies together to make the dime. So in the first videos, you added 5 pennies together and to make a nickel. Well, now we can take away the pennies, that's a lot of pennies, and just use 2 nickels, 2 5-cent pieces, and that will equal a dime. So if a piece of candy costs 10 cents, you can pay for that piece of candy in different ways. You can use a dime. A dime is 10 cents. That's like your 10 fingers. Or you can use 2 nickels. 5 cent equals 10 cents. Or if you have some pennies on hand, you can find pennies all over the place. Just pick them up. Pick them up for good luck. And then you can add them up. And you can buy things later on, maybe at the dollar store or something. So what you do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies equal 10 cents. 5 pennies equal 5 cents. So you can also go to make 10 cents. You can have 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 5-cent piece, which would be another 5 pennies. And that will equal a dime. So do some practicing. Get your parents to help you. Get some pennies out, some nickels out. And go over this. And then our next step is we'll move up to the quarter. But go ahead and practice. Get help from your parents or from your older brother or sister. You're probably learning this in school now. So remember, this video was on the dime. And what equals a dime is going to be 2 nickels or 10 pennies. You can even go as far as 5 pennies and 1 nickel, because a nickel equals 5 cents, and 5 cents more is a dime, 10 cents. So 10 cents, whatever combinations you have, 10 cents is 10 pennies, or it's 5 pennies in a nickel, or it's 2 nickels. 5 cent equals a dime. And now, the next video we'll move up to the quarter. So practice this one, and we'll move on up to 25 cents. Have a good day.